Hi, I'm romanbodnarchuk, and this is Microdosing AI. We're living through the biggest shift in human history, the age of AI. My obsession started one evening, September 13th, 2017, when I met Dr. Jeffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI at the University of Toronto. He spent 40 years of his life building the foundation of today's AI, and he won the Turing Award, which is really the Nobel Prize of computing. That night, I launched my first AI company called Global AI, which I sold last year. But the real turning point for me was November 30th, 2022, when ChatGPT launched. I was sitting on a beach in Tulum. I'd been working on a book. And in that instant, when I heard that ChatGPT had gotten 1 million users in its first 72 hours, I knew everything in business and life had changed because they made AI accessible to everyone. For 25 years, I built N5R into a global digital transformation agency. On 5 continents, I've helped launch 5 companies that hit either $1 billion in revenue or $1 billion valuation. I've written books, spoken worldwide. Old motto was, it's not the market, it's your marketing. Today, the truth is, it's all about your AI strategy. Here's the problem. Most people are frozen. They know AI is the future, but they're overwhelmed. Just like Bitcoin. It's been the best performing asset for 15 years, doubling almost every year, yet most people avoid it. That's why I built Microdosing AI. The solution is simple: 5 to 10 minutes a day, small, consistent doses of AI that stick. It's how humans learn best. I learned it at 19 from Tony Robbins, a 30-day program, one lesson a day, massive changes. Years ago, we created our first digital product, but it was really hard back then. Today, with AI, it's so much simpler. But AI, most people aren't using it. They're still using AI, just like a Google search. Created Microdosing AI, which we believe is the most effective way to learn AI. With Microdosing AI, you're going to learn one thing every day, one use case, one strategy to 10x your life, 10x your business, 10x your income. No fluff, no overwhelm. If you're ready to stop watching history and start making it, subscribe now. This is Microdosing AI.